Can you hear me? Hear me screaming, breaking in the muted sky. This thunder heart.
Well, you can tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell everybody. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Yes, I am, yes, I am, yes, I am. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. I believe every lie that I ever told. Paid for every heart that I ever stole. I played my cards and I didn't fold. Well, it ain't that hard when you got sold. Somewhere I heard that life is a test. I've been through the worst, but I still give my best. God made my mold different from the rest. Then he broke that mold.
Go on, Jana! Come on! Jana, finish it! Yes!
Thank you to all the supporters from Cardiff, the supporters from Bryn Allen that are about 2 miles away from where I live. It was great to see you here today, and to both teams, congratulations, because two different teams. And I think today we saw the best in schoolboy football. Some committed challenges, some great individual skill, and also some good team play. You can't ask for more than that. And when it was a 1-0, I really did think it could have gone either way. And Bryn Allen came very close a few times, and I'm sure the teachers from Llasmawr were a little bit nervous for the 10-minute section where they really gave you problems. But to both teams, well done.
Mae hyn yn olygu i'r ysgol o'n ta?
A dwi'n meddwl dod yr ysgol ar y map o ran pêl-droed, Pencampwr Cymru. Falch iawn nhw. Lili Siol, Pencampwriaeth Prydain.
Taith i Wolverhampton mewn faint o amser, mis. A gobeithio mae'n gallu curo'r Goran, Werddon, Lloegr a yr Alban.
A sydd dad i ddyn nhw, sy'n mynd dwrnod i fi?
Briliant. Dechrau efo aros yn Nanteos neithiwr, dwi'n meddwl bod brofiad da i'r boes. Dwi'n mwynhau a dwi'n meddwl wedi ymddygiad y bechgyn. Mae'n briliant o cychwyn Plasmawr prawn ddoe i'r diwedd yr 80 munud yna. Falch iawn o'r boes i gyd i ddigwydd.
Ond fath ar y campaign i gyd i fyny at fath o'r tîm?
Mae'r tîm wedi bod yn chwarae arbennig yr holl y campaign. Da ni wedi colli gêm ers dechrau blwyddyn 7, so mae'n amser i'r boys gael y cydnabyddiaeth efo cwpan fel hyn. Jyst y falch o'r boys. Da ni wedi gofyn yn chwysu gymaint i'r oed, so maen nhw wedi gadael bob dim ar y cae heddiw am y tro cyntaf, dwi'n meddwl. Ac yn heiddi buddigoliaeth. So ti'n meddwl yn gyda Cymraeg?
I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Yes, I am, yes, I am, yes, I am. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man.
Well, preparation is key. So much of it with football nowadays is preparation, and a lot of we spend the whole week training and working on our shape, making sure we're eating right, sleeping right. Hardest striker for me it's a tough one between Suarez obviously is up there. Being so tall, it's difficult to mark players like that who are obviously short, sharp, quick, obviously great feet as well. But I'd say Ibrahimovic was the toughest I ever played against, and that happened to be on on my actual England debut, he scored I think 3 or 4 goals that game. One of which was a bicycle kick from about 40 yards. So he's a stand-up performer, and he's got every attribute. So it's tough.
Bradley, trophy, do you want?
Sorry, Brad.
I can see this on row 3.
They didn't want me when I was running wild. Dragons breathing fire in the backyard at night. We live in circles, and it's so hard to breathe. Maybe the same old fears, what have we here? Don't bring me down. I'm just chasing time with 1,000 dreams I'm holding heavy. And as we cross the line, these fading beats, we've all been severed. Don't tell me our youth is running out. It's only just begun. If I asked you for good news, would you smile and turn away? It's like a bad dream that is too afraid to know. There are many among us, and we're changing all the time. Maybe the same old fears, what have we here? Don't bring me down. Now I'm just chasing time with 1,000 dreams I'm holding heavy. And as we cross the line, these fading beats, we've all been severed. Don't tell me our youth is running out. It's only just begun. These fading beats.
Helo, croeso i Sgorio Cymru. Scrap. Mae Kieran Proctor ar y pêl. Long ball i Ioan Robert. Oh, what a touch. Twtch yn arbennig. What a touch. Ni'n mynd i gael toss a squash. O bori. Cnoged. Cael y pêl. Left back nhw. Centre mid. Rhif 10. Dominic Sweeney hefo pêl.
A mae'n dincio fel awr y llinell. A mae di mynd dros y pen ond mae Lloegr yn dal yn o'r pêl.
Oh, nice head by Ioan. Callum Flynn. Mae'r goalkeeper yn harfa. Nawr roi ti i George Watts.
Wel, diolch Morgan am y commentary wych fan'na. Nawr, da ni'n mynd i wylio'r gêm. A mae Jonan cadw'r pêl, a mae Lanny Kieran, a mae dal yn y lawr. A mae'n i cael o lawr ar y llawr. Na, mae Ben yn cael o lawr. A nawr mae'n mynd heibio'r defence Lloegr, a mae'n cael o'r ffwcio fo ymlaen. A bod mae'n dal o'r rhif 8. No, mae'n mynd ymlaen i Mos yn gamgecio hi. A wedyn mae'n mynd ar fi, wedyn mae'n mynd i Kieran, a wedyn mae Kieran yn dechrau'r adag.
Run arbennig. Run arbennig.
Diad wych.
Oes, gilio gael allan i sy'n ffôl. Tackle Ellis!
Kieran's just shoot. Look at Tom Burger. I remember you used to try that every morning before school. You did that for like a year. Every day. How do I? I know it works. Jeez, Harrison
Come on, can you move back, please? I've got absolutely no...
Oh boy, yeah, you and me got me back.
What? Yeah, but oh yeah, no I can.
Will!
Hey, don't talk.
On your toes all the time.
When you send that guy off. No,
Ported boys, right?
Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Achos bob 15 mlynedd, bob 20 mlynedd mae'n wrth yn digwydd, pan mae'n grew o bêl-droedwyr yn dod at ei gilydd yn yr un flwyddyn. A chi'n special. Chi'n mynd sylweddoli na nawr, yn byddwch chi. Byddwch chi'n hun, byddwch chi'n meddwl nôl am y penwythnos hyn, yn sylweddoli bod chi mewn ffainal cwpan ysgolion gorau Prydain. Bydd hwnna'n rhywbeth special. Gilydd. A bydd wnaethoch chi just you rose above it. Gadwch chi mas o'r nonsens na. Yna I fi, just chwaraewyr sy'n gwybod chwarae'r gêm. Chwarae'r dyfarnwr, chwarae'r gêm. A fi'n llawn edmygedd, mae'r back four wedi bod yn immense. Bydd bynnag yw'r combination y prawn yma, bore yma. Mae'r combination y back four wedi bod yn ffantastig. Mae cael keeper mor gryf, mor chatty, mor dylanwadol, siŵr rhoi lot o hyder I chi. A cael midfield wedyn ni sy'n just wedi dominato yn erbyn y Saeson ddo o Kieran yn clas. Absolute class. Mae Ellis just yn galluogi Kieran I ware, achos fe yw'r dog. Fe yw'r un sy'n just yn biting at their ankles, ddim yn rhoi amser yn nhw, and he's a big job heddi. Yn gwybod bod ni centre forward, half a chance, he puts them away. Mae'r wingers wedi gwneud I job lan y lawr resgyll. Oedd hi'n tuff ddo'r Ioan, lan y lawr, ac yn erbyn yr Alban, nath y job ffantastig. Pob un o chi, pan chi wedi dod ymlaen, pan chi wedi cyfrannu, mae pob un wedi rhoi cant y cant, allwn ni ddim gofyn mwy. Gêm o'r season yw hwn. Beth sy'n taro fi, mae'r ffordd chi wedi chwarae'r gêm. Sim un adeg, mae'r pennau wedi mynd lawr. A un peth chi ddim wedi cael yn wythnos, wel chi dod nos Wener yn yr Alban, a nath hi'n two-all. Y cymeriad yn dath trwyddo I ddod nôl I ennill gyda. Never say die attitude pob un o'n chi. Backs the wall job oedd i'r un adeg, a nath chi just dug deep, a just gweud, swn i'n mynd I golli yn erbyn yr Alban. Ac yn erbyn Lloegr, nath chi nid yn rhoi cyfle iddyn nhw ddwyn yr gêm. Gol cynnar, finished them off, sydyn iawn, ond nhw'n dechrau meddwl, hold on, swn i byth yn colli, what's going on? Troiodd y gêm, chos joiwch sim disgwyliadau, no expectations, achos sim ni wedi bod o'r dechrau, a fi'n credu bod chi wedi warin ffain, jyst yn gwybod, hei, ni yma, ni'n falch ni yma, ni'n Welsh champions, ond ni nawr actually yn British champions, dim ond y Republic of Ireland sy'r ôl dyn ni.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay?
Na mewn bywyd, 3 neu 4 cyfle mawr. Yn y llawyn fan hyn, cor cyfle. It's rhoi cynnig mewn â tŷ newydd. Mae fe'n ei ffrind. Oes yn coleg. Mae heddi yn un o'r atgofn y memories na sy'n mynd I aros gyda chi am weddill ag oes. Ond col problem, Dominic Sweeney. Mae'r cyfle na fan hyn. Fan hyn. Chi'n awr I ffwrdd o cymryd hwnna ac am weddill y bywyd mewn unrhyw sgwrs. Hey, you any good at football? Oh, British champion, mate. British champion. So Ed, ti mynd i cymryd y cyfle, chopsiest, most confident goalkeeper fi erioed wedi gweld, a ti'n typical y goalkeeper, achos wneud fwy o fuss dros gloves ti, na unrhyw beth arall yn y byd. So Ed, ti'n cymryd y cyfle?
Yeah, mate.
Hey, Jonah, Ben Cabango, right? Fi'n gwybod mae cwpl o stars fan hyn, right? Conw fan hyn, right? Mae Callum fan hyn, mae Bradley fan hyn, Kieran, here's the Kiki glory thing, right? Ond os dau chwaraeodd I fi, dau gol I cysudo yn y cystadleuaeth hyn, right? Mae'r ffordd I chi'n rhywun, ach o beth, chi'n telepathic. Pryd mae fe'n mynd straen gyda... Ti'n dilyn et, chi'n traco fe. Absolutely. Cymryd y cyfle, Ben. Cymryd y cyfle, right? Absolutely fantastic. Pan I? Harrison. Sam. Eddie. You're not cybeth. Heddiw dod y mawr chi. Hwn yn dod y mawr chi. Chi di dangos darnau yn y... Ti'n gwybod, mae rai pethau ti'n neud y gemyn. Ond ti'n meddwl, Eddi, cael cyfle ti, sefyll lan, and actually get in there. Right? Ti'n cymryd y cyfle? Come on! Hubert! Ti'n dawel, ond ti'n beth, mae confidence ti pan mae Bale yn dod ato ti, a mae rhoi y boys mawr yn. Ti'n cymryd y cyfle iddi? Oi ti, right? Mae stamina ti I bod yn y car, ti wedi bod yn immense. Ti'n cymryd y cyfle iddi? Dominic Sweeney, my favourite person, because mae Dominic is a team player, mae Dominic yn cysau. Un peth sy'n becso Dominic yw bod yn gadael chi lawr. Fi'n gwybod, fi'n gwely wyneb e. So mae boi yn gadael chi lawr heddi. Bydd y boi yn right to the last whistle. Cymryd y cyfle heddi? No. Cwm y boi sydd o mewn, chappers. Harry, chybeth, mae dod mewn I tîm fel hyn a chwarae, fi wedi bod yn immensely impressed. Nes ti, fantastic decision ddo I gorffwys y tro na. Mynd am y cyfle na heddi? Ie. Right, okay. Marsh, fi beth wedi gweld ti'n chwarae Pêl Drod. Fi beth wedi gweld, ond fi ti'n beth, pan o'n eistedd i Mr Hayes ddo, a just meddwl, who has been a key player yn y tîm hyn? Mae'r ffordd I tîm mor cool. Mae'r ffordd I ti'n dod mewn, weithiau, beth efo sweeper, weithiau, gyda bol out of danger area, ti wedi cael 2 gêm, ffantastig. A ti'n beth heddi, ti'n mynd I fod yn seren do. Am y cyfle yna. Right.
And donkey.
Cwrw, here are the big billionaire footballers fan hyn, alright? Kieran, fi dal yn meddwl bod ti'n well goalkeeper, a Bradley, right? Sa'n credu welwch I well captain na Bradley Cotran ar cael Pêl Drod, achos he leads from the front, mae pennau wastad lan, doesn't mess it with y dyfarnwr, mae'n gadael y dyfarnwr wneud y penderfyniad, and he's concentrating on the free kick, the next ball, the next chance. Mae trio chi heddi, Kieran, ddo, right? Byddai'n byw nes bod fi'n 100 mlwydd ddod, na I byth cael gol fel sgores ti ddo. A gol cynta ti'n erbyn yr Alban, Bradley. I mean, these are things ti'n gweld ar computer games. Right? Callum wedi gweithio, ti wedi cymryd cwpl o chances y pethau. Harrison Morse, ti'n cymryd y cyfle, achos nes ti paso Bale, nes ti'n intelligent peth ddo, took your time, pawb yn gweithio, what a killer ball trwy ddo, gol cynta nes. Ti'n cymryd y cyfle? No, it's good. Ti'n mynd i'n hau heddi. Ti'n mynd i'n hau heddi. Ti di wael, ffantastig. A heddi, ti'n mynd i'n hau. Fi wedi gael y 2 ar ôl. Fi wedi gael y 2 ar ôl. Fi wedi gael y 2 ar ôl.
Iwan Clement.
Iwan Clement? Right. Good decision though, o ti ddim yn teimlo'n lle right though, ti? Didn't feel right, I think. Game neb yr Alban, da weithio ti, was an immense performance. They were nasty, they were in your face, o'n i mor impressed. Fi'n gwybod ti'n becks am y Cerdyn Milner, but that was a yellow card, that was a necessity, chos ti'n goffo dangos. Iddi na, right? You keep that temperament, achos ti yn game changer heddi. Right? Ti'n fod yn game changer. Gyda Kieran dod lan y canol, mae spine y tîm. Na, ti is a big surprise I fi. Big surprise I fi.
Ti is a big surprise.
Ti'n quite yn deall rheolau ffwtbol, achos ti'n ond fod taclo y boys sy'n ar y tîm arall. Right? So Ellis, a bit of spatial awareness, ond trywydd, cadw temperament. Os byddai'n gweud hyn y ti achos bod ti'n chopsy i'r referee, it's not because I don't like you, Ellis. Right? Achos fi'n gwybod mae perfformiad ti, a mae perfformiad yw yn heddi, chi yw'r link yn y chain na. So ti'n cymryd y cyfle heddi. A nes weithio chi, i chi yn dîm o enillwyr, a heddi, I chi mynd mas na, ac I chi'n dangos, mae tîm Pêl-drod Plasmawr, tîm Cymru, yw tîm gore o unrhyw ysgol! Unrhyw ysgol yn Lloegr, chi di smasho nhw! Yr Alban, chi di smasho nhw! A heddi, I chi yn mynd y gêm na, a'ch pen yn an! A chi'n dod o'r ymwneud!
I think it's just my voice breaking. Manos! Ardderchog William Marsh. I don't think he did.
He's got really funny.
You got Aaron goals, so you got trust.
Nice corner, nice pressure.
Does he like run? Does he go for the school team? Ed always goes, oh,
So well done to Ysgol Plasmawr Caerdydd.
Come on, Cymru!
Oh, thank you. One of the boys is going to pick you up, Tom. Got it, yeah. Thank you. Right.
Dom Scrampy!
Dom Scrampy!
Come on, Dom Scrampy!
Come on, we're trying to film this!
Hello. That's it. Just Carl and Ellis. Carl and Ellis. Yeah. Brad, finish that.
Big cheer, boys.
And Safib Alan McKinstry, winners 2014, Wales!
Passer cwp ar y draws! Elis ar ei ffordd draw.
Just in conclusion, if I could just say a thank you on behalf of the Welsh contingent to the SFA for the splendid organisation this weekend, to Safin, to the match referees, to all our fellow players in the other teams. Thank you very much. It's the first time that Wales have won this. It's a privilege. And everybody from Wales, thank you for the
to your favorite place on earth, to see the tree they cut down 10 years from your birth. Our fingers traced in circles round its history. We brushed our hands right back in time through centuries as you held me down. You said, I'll see you in the future when we're older, and we are full of stories to be told. Cross of our hearts and hope to die. I'll see you when we're
leaving the field, number 7, Sam Phillips. Anyway, leaving it now in his place, number 19, Kieran Proctor.
Memories are mapped out by the light, will trace as you held me down. You said, I'll see